As the festive season approaches, the National Solid Waste Management Authority is ramping up its efforts to rid the country of garbage. It comes at a time when the country is battling a flooding problem, which has been partly linked to improper solid waste management and disposal. TVJ's Kelisha Williams reports.
From clogged drains to blocked gullies, leading to wider issues of beach pollution and flooding, it's no question that Jamaica has a garbage problem. Kingston and St. Andrew have been said to generate up to 80 tons of garbage daily. For that reason, the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, is trying to make a greater impact. First, an all-island town centre cleanup ahead of a festive season, from empty lots to the streets.
We want to see Jamaica clean. We want to have clean roadways. We want to have clean town centres. We want the environment to be healthy.
The initiative is so intensive that all regional managers and the public cleansing managers at the NSWMA were out.
Everybody is out and will be out for the next 10 days as this operation continues.
But as tractors scraped away garbage, leaving the areas stench-free, residents had this to say.
Toilet all day, them all rubbish there. Yeah. People come in. To my daughter shop there, so. I mean, there are enough man in shop, man, and come on in him car. Him just come out. A bag of rubbish or so.
If the trucks come, we don't have that problem. Them just keep them garbage at home. And when the trucks come, them take it out. Them not have to carry it come through it. And some of the things that is there is not just garbage. It's building materials that people use and carry and throw there.
In the meantime, Executive Director at the NSWMA, Audley Gordon, has this advice for business owners.
Not because we are coming into the town centres to do this special cleanup. That doesn't rob you of your opportunity and your responsibility to keep your surrounding clean and to make special arrangement for the solid waste generated by your businesses to be removed. It is still your duty to take responsibility for the solid waste that you generate.
There have also been several calls from the police for greater provisions in the anti-litter law to prosecute offenders who throw garbage in the streets. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.